Hi, and welcome to the Course Map tutorial overview. In this video, we will introduce you to course maps and how they can help you design a course that helps your students be successful. The purpose of a course map is to make sure the critical components of your course, the learning objectives, materials, activities, and assessments, are aligned so that everything your students do works together to help them succeed in your course. It encourages backward design, that is, beginning with the end in mind, with what you want students to walk away with after they've completed the course. Every component of your course map will connect with this idea. And a final purpose of the course map, if you decide to share it with your students, is to provide students with a visual representation of how everything they do in your course has a purpose and what that purpose is. We'll provide a template with a basic structure that you can adapt to your preferences and the needs of your course. As long as you've aligned all your course components to your learning objectives, you can adapt the course map template to suit your needs and preferences. It's important to keep in mind that completing your course map is an iterative process because of how you'll be aligning all course components. As you progress, you may find you want to go back and fine-tune some of the information that you started with. Completing a course map is a great opportunity for you to critically evaluate the components of your course as you explicitly consider the purpose of everything your students are doing. Even if you're using the course map to check the design of an established course, you almost certainly will find things that you want to change. One last note on your course map. It's not a Moodle space, and it won't populate your Moodle space for you. It's more of a design plan. It can serve as a guide to organizing your course space in Moodle, but the process of editing in Moodle is a separate step. The next video will walk you through a course map template in detail, but for now, let's take a quick look at what a completed course map can look like. At the top, you'll want to list the course objectives, the things students will be able to do upon successful completion of your course. In the body, you'll list your modules or topics, however you structure the concepts in your course. Next, you'll note the learning objectives for each module and how they align with the course objectives. See the parentheses at the end of each module objective? This numbering system is how the instructor is noting how the module objective aligns with a course objective. In the next column, you'll see all of the learning materials and activities. Here you'll note a module objective, or MO, in parentheses after each one. This shows how everything the students do in a module helps them achieve one or more module objectives. In the last column is assessments. Again, the instructor has noted for each assessment the module objective or objectives that it aligns with. To learn more about each part of the course map and how they work together, continue to the next video in the series.